Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Bitdefender total security subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on this link like https://central.bitdefender.com. I will provide you this link in our video description box. Once you visit on this page, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to select this option like my subscription at the left side, very bottom side. Okay, and once you select my subscription, it will show you this kind of option. Now you need to select these three lines and you will see subscription and continuous protection. Now you need to select this option like cancel my subscription, and then you need to follow the prompts and you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel, and then you need to simply hit like cancel subscription. Now by using this way you can easily cancel Bitdefender total security subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.